This video will explain how to use the controls on the Smeg MOC01 microwave. Firstly, the start-stop button is used to confirm selections and start or pause cooking. If pressed and held for 3 seconds, cooking will stop completely and the display will return to the clock. The navigation buttons are used to scroll through functions, settings and values. Pressing the back button will take you back to the previous menu stage. The plus button can be used to activate the quick start function for a 30-second cycle at maximum power and add an additional 30-second interval to the cooking time while the microwave is running. Please note this function is not available when using the chef functions. To select a manual function, first make sure the microwave is showing the clock. Use the navigation buttons to scroll through the available functions, which include microwave, grill, defrost and warm. When the desired function appears on the display, press the start-stop button to confirm. The first adjustable settings such as power, time or weight will begin flashing. Use the navigation buttons to adjust this value, then press start-stop to confirm. Repeat this process for any remaining settings. Once the settings have been selected, press the start-stop button again to begin cooking. Before cooking starts, settings can be changed by scrolling to the required parameter using the navigation buttons, confirming it with the start-stop button and then adjusting the value using the same navigation buttons. Each change must be confirmed with the start-stop button before moving on. During cooking, pressing the start-stop button will pause the microwave. If you wish to go back and change any settings, press the back button to select the setting you wish to change. Adjust the value using the navigation buttons and then press the start-stop to resume cooking. To use the chef menu, press the chef menu button to enter the automatic programming mode. Use the navigation buttons to scroll through the food categories such as meat, fish, vegetables or bread. Press the start-stop button to confirm the selected category and next scroll through the program numbers until the required recipe appears. Then press the start-stop button again to confirm. Adjust the food weight or quantity using the navigation buttons and press start-stop to begin cooking. The microwave will automatically select the correct power and cooking time. Multi-step cooking allows 2 cooking functions to run one after the other. After selecting and setting the first cooking mode, but before starting cooking, press the plus button. Then select and set the second cooking function in the same way as you have the first. Press the start-stop button again to begin cooking, and the microwave will automatically start the second function once the first is finished. Cooking can be paused at any time by pressing the start-stop button once. To stop cooking completely and to return to the clock display, press and hold the start-stop button for 3 seconds. When a program finishes, the word end will appear on the display and the audible signal will sound. Finally, the microwave has a settings menu. This menu can only be accessed when the microwave is showing the clock and isn't being used for cooking. To access this menu, press and hold the start-stop button until the settings menu appears in the display. Use the navigation buttons to scroll through the available settings such as the child lock, sound on or off, clock format, reset time, units of weight, display brightness and turntable control. To change a setting, press the start-stop button and use the navigation buttons to make the changes. Press the start-stop button to confirm. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more.